Hi guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how you can disable applications from starting up when you restart your computer in Mac. So that is very useful tutorial if you want to optimize the performance at the startup and ensure that only the programs you are going to use will start up. So there are a couple of ways how you can do this. So the first one is you can see most of the programs here in the dock. You can right click options and then there will be this option open at login. Since this is not ticked, this means that the program will not open at when I restart the computer. Another way is to go to System Preferences, then go User and Groups, Login Items, and then you can see all of the programs here. I would select it and press minus. Sometimes the programs will be grayed out and you will have to press this lock to unlock it to make changes, and then that would mean that you will be able to make the changes. So for example, I don't want to open Microsoft Word. I press that and press minus. Sometimes you will notice that even though you have unchecked and deleted from system preferences the programs you don't need, that your programs will still start up. So that one of the reasons why that might be is if you go to restart, there is this tick box where it says reopen Windows when logging back in. So that will open all of the programs you have opened right now. So ensure that this tick box is not ticked. So I hope that this tutorial is useful and you will be able to optimize the performance when you start up your computer. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and see you guys in the next tutorial.